Let's use a for loop to control the buzzer. We can use one to gradually change the frequency from a low one to a high one. Here's an empty for loop. First, I'll create my counter, called I, with a starting value of 0. Next, I'll put my condition, which is that I is less than 1,000. Why am I using less than and not is equal to in the condition? Well, if I use is equal to, the counter might somehow miss the condition, move on to a higher number, and never be exactly at 1,000. If this happened, it would keep looping forever. This kind of bug is a really common source of issues, especially security problems in code. Okay, the third part that goes in between the round brackets is the afterthought, and I'm going to tell Arduino to increase I by 1 each time the loop runs. I can do that by typing I++. Next, I should fill in the code I want Arduino to repeat in here. I'm going to tell Arduino to turn on the buzzer using I as the frequency. I'm also going to add in a delay of 3 milliseconds so that we have a tiny bit of time to hear each frequency before Arduino moves on to the next one. Create a for loop like this one in your code. Don't forget to put semicolons between the 3 things in the round brackets. Try uploading this code and seeing what it does. Then you can play around with the starting value of the counter, the condition in the if statement, and the delay that Arduino pauses for at each frequency. By changing these things, you'll be able to get the buzzer to make some pretty different sounds. Give it a try. It'll be fun to explore. Here's what this code sounds like.